Hello everyone, on this video we're gonna see how you can access your web server using a mobile device. You can see here that I can access my web server using my local computer, which is the computer that I'm currently using to program the PLC. So to access using a cell phone, for example, you will need a network infrastructure like this. So here I have my PLC that is connected to a router, and this router will provide me Wi-Fi network, which I'm gonna use to connect a cell phone. So they're all going to be in the same network, and my cell phone will be able to access the web server that is running on my PLC IP. You can go to your mobile device and opening a new browser and type in the PLC IP, which is 192.168.100.16 in my case. I have to inform the network port, which is 8080, which is the HTTP port, /webvisu.atm. My cell phone is currently connected to my Wi-Fi network. So when I launch the web page, you can see here that I can access my web server. So I can change between the screens and I can interact it with the objects. I can press the buttons and I can change the value of my slider. Okay, so this is how you access your web server using a mobile device.